Welcome to Programming Mind Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is constants in PHP. So let's get started. So what are the constants in PHP? It is an identifier or name for any value. Value of constants cannot be changed during execution of program. So ways to define constant. First way to define constant by using define method, and second way to define constant by using const keyword. So let's understand examples by using define method. So this is one program we have written in constants.php file, and we have started with basic script question mark PHP, and we are using define method here, and in double inverted comma we have defined one constant, name is a channel, and then we given one comma, and in double inverted comma we have added the value in a constant, which is Programming Mind Academy, and we are using echo here to print that value inside the constant. So this is how we can use define keyword to define constant in PHP programming. So let's understand the result of this program. Yeah, so we are tracking that result by using localhost, and we are accessing that file here by using .php, and this is the result, Programming Mind Academy. We are printed by using echo channel. So let's go to the next method by using const keyword. So here we are just using const keyword in front of constant or identifier or name, and we are storing value by using double inverted comma Programming Mind Academy, and we are using echo to print that constant. This is second method. You can use const, okay, and this is the result of our second method. So what is difference between variables and constants? Variable can be redefined. That means we can change the value of variable during execution, but constants cannot be redefined. Is equal to operator used to define variables, and to define constants we need to use define method or const keyword. To define variables need to use $sign, but to define constants we don't need to use any $sign in front of constant. Values can be changed while execution. So values of variables can be changed during execution, but values cannot be changed while execution for constants. Variable can be global, local, and static, but constants by default are global. So this is the difference between variables and constants. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, ask into comments and subscribe to the Programming Mind Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.